Yes, how many of you are repeating the same thing after me? I know many of you are doing the same. Do you know the reason behind that? Let me tell you the reason. Scientists say that it is contagious yawning. It's related to empathy, the part of the human brain that is associated with thinking. The same part used to do that. Human brain mirror itself. What does it mean? It means that whenever the human brain find any other doing so, they used to repeat after them. Okay. Even in case of dog, it is found that they used to yawn whenever their favorite person used to do that. So do check whether your dogs are doing this or not. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.